Coming up in this Brightline Construction update. This update looks at the installation of 2 cantilever signals at CP Bonaventure as part of the ATC19 cutover. ATC19 activated about 8 miles of the new second main line and new signals between CP Bonaventure and CP Pineda. For a full overview, check out the link above or in the description below. CP Bonaventure is located in Rockledge, Florida, near Barnes Boulevard. The 2 cantilever signals were installed at CP Bonaventure. Here, the crews are raising the tower that will support the bridge for the southern cantilever. Please note the majority of the footage in this video has been sped up for the sake of time. Here they are, lining it up on the foundation and beginning to bolt it down. Once the tower was in place, they began the process of rigging the bridge portion itself up so it could be lifted. And here's the bridge being lifted. During the lift, there is 1 crew member on the ground helping to guide the bridge with a guide wire, and another at the top of the tower to guide the bolt holes. A crane from Bile Brothers was brought in for the cantilever installations. The signals on the bridge will protect the two mainline tracks through the single crossover. The Bonaventure siding has a standard single mast signal to protect it. Here they are, bolting the bridge in place. They finished by climbing to the top signals to turn the heads so there is no confusion about them being inactive for the time being. I unfortunately ran out of battery power just as they began to turn the heads, but this gives a good scale for just how big the heads are. The following day, the crew installed the northern cantilever. When I arrived, the tower had already been lifted and they were about to lift the bridge into place. And here it is being lifted. It followed the same procedure as the previous day's installation. These signals will protect southbound movements through the CP Bonaventure crossover and movements onto the Bonaventure siding. I would like to thank signal contractor HWR for some of their assistance with this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.